Hello everyone, this is Antonio Chavez with FSC 100. It's an online class. For this video I'm showing a little bit of the Fertabot's circuit. It works with my team's other 3 bots that they made. Let's see, starting right from the top. Right in this section we have a list of quite a few different variables that's going to be used throughout the program. Then we also, after the variables, we have quite a few different functions that are going to be used with those same variables in order to make this bot function. First one is check distance. This uses a distance sensor in order to check the distance on all 4 of its sides in order to make a decision. These usually take a trigger and a echo in order for it to make it work. Next we have a go forward function. As you can see in the circuit, there are 6 different motors. There are 2 in the rear or 4 in the rear and 2 up front. In this case, for the go forward, 4 of the motors are going to be turned on. For this function, the turn left, only 1 of the motors is going to be turned on in order for it to turn left. We have a stop function. Just when this whole bot has covered all the area as far as fertilizing, it will stop once using this function. Another function is we didn't use this function, but I made it. It's a turnaround function. I had to change the algorithm a little bit from my project, so we never use this. Moving on, we got the turn right, same as the turn left. It's just different motor gets turned on. Another function is go around. We use this when an object or something is in the path of the robot, and it uses this function to go around it. We have a reverse function. In different cases we have to use this. Like, for example, it uses in the go around function the reverse function. So these methods are used together. Right here in the main setup, you can see all of the different pins and all the different pins that are used, whether it's an input or an output. This is always used once in the program, and then it goes through the loop continuously until it is complete. At the start of the loop we have a distance. It's checking all the different distances in this section. It checks the temperature and the base temperature. It has temperature circuits on the front and rear of the bot. In order for it to do different functions, it's just going to use those temperature sensors in order to know what to do. See, in the main body we have a few different if statements. For example, this one is, we're always checking if it's in the middle of the area, in which case it will automatically just turn off. This if is if it's approaching a sidewalk or a wall, and it uses the temperature sensors in order to turn to the right automatically from the start. This robot just functions making a lot of right turns and ending up in the middle. This is the count for the amount of turns. So once it reaches 4, it'll start deducting area and lessening the area that it covers. And this is if there's an object. While it's turning, it will go around it and then resume. Thank you.